When we talk about woodworking, it's not just about getting the job done. It's about doing it with precision, ease, and a touch of artistry. But many woodworkers still struggle with outdated or poor quality equipment, which causes them to waste time and materials. We can feel them. So, we've checked out the latest advancements in woodworking technology to bring you 50 tools that are truly on another level. First up is the AUX Large Door Clamp. This tool addresses the hassle of holding doors steady during installation or repair. It fits doors up to 2 inches thick and 48 inches wide. The clamp's rubber pads protect the door's surface from scratches. Its quick release mechanism allows for easy adjustments. Woodworkers will find this clamp particularly useful for hanging doors alone, as it eliminates the need for an extra pair of hands. The strong construction ensures stability throughout the installation process. By using this clamp, you can achieve more precise alignments and reduce the time spent on door hanging tasks. Remember, a well-hung door is the foundation of a polished finish in any room. Next, we have the Woodpecker's DF500 offset base system. This tool is designed for use with the Festool domino joiner. It allows for accurate placement of mortises near edges or corners where the standard base can't reach. The system includes 3 bases with different offsets: 5mm, 10mm, and 20mm. These options give woodworkers more flexibility in joint placement. The bases are made from durable materials to withstand workshop conditions. Now, what kind of benefits can you expect from this tool? By using this system, you can expand the capabilities of your domino joiner, which enables you to create joints in previously challenging locations. This tool is especially valuable for furniture makers working on complex designs. It's a solution that opens up new possibilities in joinery. The MileCraft MC Square 300 is a multi-purpose measuring tool. It combines a square, level, and protractor in one device. The tool features both imperial and metric measurements. Its aluminum construction ensures durability without adding excessive weight. The MC Square 300 can measure angles from 0 to 180 degrees, which makes it useful for various woodworking tasks. The built-in level helps ensure accuracy in your measurements. To be more specific, this tool is particularly helpful for beginners who want to simplify their toolkit. By combining multiple functions, it reduces the number of separate tools you need to carry. The MC Square 300 is a time saver that promotes precision in your woodworking projects. Moving on to the one-handed bar clamps. These clamps are designed for single-handed operation so that they can free up your other hand for positioning workpieces. They come in various sizes to suit different project needs. The clamps feature a quick-release trigger for easy removal. Their non-marring pads protect your workpiece from damage during clamping. The I-beam construction provides strength without excessive weight. These clamps are especially useful for assembly tasks where you need to hold multiple pieces together. They can apply up to 300 pounds of force. No doubt, it ensures a tight grip. Overall, bar clamps offer a balance of convenience and effectiveness for woodworkers of all skill levels. Let's talk about the Rotary Burrs. These burrs are built for shaping and smoothing wood surfaces. They're made with tungsten carbide teeth, which provide durability and efficient material removal. The burrs come in various shapes and sizes to suit different tasks. They can be used with angle grinders, die grinders, or flexible shaft machines. Kutzall burrs are particularly effective for sculpting, carving, and smoothing irregular surfaces. They work well on both hardwood and softwood. These tools can save time compared to traditional hand-carving methods. Woodworkers engaged in artistic or custom projects will find these burrs especially valuable. They offer a way to achieve detailed shaping with power tool efficiency. The wood reciprocating blade is designed for fast, clean cuts in wood. It features a unique tooth geometry that reduces binding and improves cutting speed. The blade's carbide teeth stay sharp longer than standard blades. The good thing is that it's compatible with most reciprocating saws on the market. This blade excels at demolition work and rough carpentry tasks. It can cut through nails embedded in wood without causing significant damage to the teeth. The amped blade's performance can reduce stress during long cutting sessions. The reciprocating blade is particularly useful for remodelers and construction workers who frequently cut wood with their reciprocating saws. Now, let's look at the duplex rebate plane. This hand tool is perfect for cutting rebates in wood. It features 2 blade positions, so that both left-handed and right-handed users can use it. The plane's body is made of ductile cast iron for durability. It includes a fence for guiding straight cuts and a depth stop for consistent rebate depths. This tool comes in handy for traditional woodworkers and those working on period furniture reproductions. The duplex rebate plane offers precise control that power tools can't always match, so it's suitable for fine adjustments to achieve the perfect fit in your joinery work. It's a tool that combines versatility with the satisfaction of handcrafted results. The folding pull saw is a portable cutting tool for woodworkers. Its blade folds into the handle for safe storage and transport. The saw features aggressive teeth designed for efficient cutting on the pull stroke. It has a comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue during use. This saw is mostly suitable for making flush cuts or working in tight spaces. The folding design makes it easy to carry in a tool belt or pocket. It can handle both softwoods and hardwoods effectively. The folding pull saw is a good choice for carpenters who need a versatile cutting tool on job sites. It offers the precision of a handsaw with added convenience and safety features. Next is the miter angle tool. This device helps woodworkers measure and transfer angles for miter cuts. It can measure angles from 0 to 180 degrees. The tool includes a built-in pencil holder for marking your workpiece. It's made of durable plastic with metal inserts for longevity. The Wolfcraft tool is especially useful for fitting trim and molding. It can save time by eliminating guesswork in angle measurements. This tool is helpful for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts working on home improvement projects. It promotes accuracy in miter cuts, which leads to better fitting joints and a more polished final product. The miter angle tool is a simple solution to a common woodworking challenge. Lastly, we have the Log Wizard debarker. This tool attaches to a chainsaw to remove bark from logs. It features carbide teeth that efficiently strip bark without damaging the wood underneath. The Log Wizard can also be used for texturing and sculpting wood surfaces. It's particularly important for log home builders and rustic furniture makers. This tool can significantly speed up the debarking process compared to manual methods. It works on both softwoods and hardwoods. The Log Wizard allows woodworkers to prepare raw logs for further processing or use in natural-looking projects. It's a specialized tool that fills a specific niche in wood preparation tasks. These woodworking tools showcase the innovative solutions available to modern craftsmen. From precise measuring devices to efficient cutting and shaping tools, each item addresses specific challenges in woodworking. By having these tools into your workflow, you can enhance your efficiency, accuracy, and the overall quality of your projects. Remember, the right tool can make a significant difference in your woodworking journey. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.